allows you to turn handwritten notes or drawings into typed text, making it easy to digitalize your notes. If you're using your desktop, you can open your Google Chrome web browser or any web browser that you prefer. Simply go ahead and search for Google Keep or keep.google.com. Now, once it is opened, go ahead and take a note. And then drawing. Once you've drawn or uploaded, click on the three dots menu. From the menu that appears, go ahead and tap on Grab Image Text that you will find between Show check boxes and Copy to Google Docs. Now the handwritten text will be converted into editable text in your note. But make sure that you write clearly and avoid cursive if you can. Space your words out well and use a dark ink or a stylus instead of light colors or finger drawings. Your handwritten notes are now editable digital text in Google Keep. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.